Okay, I decided before I start taking this apart, I'm going to go around and give it some Woodworker TLC. And that is, when it was made, woodworking was probably not their priority. But they did use good wood. This is, it looks like cucumber, kind of a poplar, maybe an aspen. And it's solid. It's a solid wood. No, this is solid too. It doesn't seem to be a veneer or anything. But they didn't sand. They didn't ease any of the edges. So I just got some sandpaper, went around, eased all the edges, so they don't feel sharp anymore. Even on the even like right in here where the glass was, I couldn't get the glass out at first, so I had to WD-40 along this edge. So I ran sandpaper along here. Ease that edge just a little bit right there. And wiped off the bottom and eased both sides of this. So this is now nice and smooth to the touch, not sharp. And underneath, let me see if I can tell my phone there. Probably about right in there. Ease the other side of that. We got Ava hanging out with me here, sleeping. So I went all the way around, did all the eased edges, even along the edge right here. So it's nice and smooth to the touch now. Even here. Oh, I didn't get that right there. I guess I'll have to come back and get that edge right there. Let's see. Yeah, right there. I got this one. I didn't get that one. And I'm not sure why that's sticking out there, but it looks like it always has. But who knows? Maybe when we examine this closer, we'll find out that wasn't pushed in all the way. But either way, I think it's not too bad. This side's a little bit better. So basically, just gave us some TLC with some sandpaper. And now we're ready for the next step.